about throwing your shots as you're moving. I see so many trainers online, Instagram especially, and they're working mitts with somebody and they're having them throw punches kind of stagnant, and then they back up, and then they have to throw punches again. Or they have them back up, and then they throw punches again. Now in boxing, that's not really how it works. So you want to be able to be versatile, and you want to use your feet. So if I'm going to be throwing my punches, of course, I want to move forward on those punches. Unless I'm already on the inside, then of course I'm not. But there's a lot of movement in that ring. Now if somebody's coming at me, I want to throw shots as they're coming at me because I want to hit them, right? So I don't want to just be defensive like, oh, just let me get away and then let me throw my punches. No, you have to learn how to throw your punches as you're moving. So very simply, if I'm moving forward, I'm going to step on my first shot because I'm going to get inside, right? So I'm trying to get inside, I'm trying to reach them. Now whether that's a jab or it's an uppercut or it's a hook, it doesn't matter, but I want to step inside. Or maybe I'm slipping inside, right? I'm stepping, or maybe I'm bobbing inside and I'm stepping. Whatever it is, you're going to be stepping. Now that next movement or the next punch, you're going to drag your back foot. Well, because you're going to have to create that stance again for balance and for power. You got to have everything underneath you to throw those shots or to move out of the way. So let's say I'm going to throw a hook right. I'm going to step on my hook, boom, I'm going to drag on that right hand. Again, the next movement or punch, you're going to drag that back foot to give you that nice balance again in your boxing stance. Now going backwards. Now this is tricky footwork, and maybe this is why a lot of coaches aren't teaching it, because it's a very challenging piece to do and to teach. So if I'm going to move back, let's say I'm going to throw a 1-2 backwards. If you watch my feet, it's a gallop back. I'm actually pushing off my back foot, not my front foot, okay? Pushing off the front foot is a bit mechanical, and we want to stay fluid for boxing. So I'm pushing from here and making my body do this. Now that's exaggerated, obviously, but if you practice this, you're gonna feel that weight pushing from here, pop, to do this. So again, push here, pop, and then bang on that right hand. Let's say that's what you're gonna be throwing. Let's say it's gonna be a hook. When we go backwards, pop, and then bang. Now it could be an uppercut, right? It could be a body shot. But whatever it is, when you're moving backwards, push from your back foot, make that galloping effect, and then when this back foot is done moving is when you're gonna fire that next shot. It happens quickly, right? So you have to practice it a lot. You have to start to feel comfortable with it. So bang, bang. You will start to feel comfortable if you practice. Stick with it. I promise you, you will get it.